Hello friends, welcome to Concepts and Definition. Let us check what are financial statements. By definition, financial statement provides details of entities' financial information. It is mandatory for a company to publish financial statements. Three important financial statements are: first, balance sheet, second is income statement, and third is cash flow statement. Balance sheet reports company's assets, liabilities, and shareholders' equity at a given point in time. Important equation for balance sheet is assets is equal to liabilities plus equity. Assets is a resource which has some economic value. Liability is something that company owns or has an obligation of payment in future. Equity is a value that will be returned to shareholders if all the assets were liquidated and obligations were met. Second important financial statement, income statement, focuses on company's revenue and expenses at a given point in time. Equation for income statement is net income is equal to revenue minus expense. Revenue is simply income generated by normal business operations. Expense is cost of operations that company incurs. Example, salary of employees. Net income is simply the profit that is generated by deducting expenses from revenue. Cash flow statement. Cash flow statement focuses on amount of cash and cash equivalent entering and leaving the company. Equation for cash flow statement is total cash flow is equal to cash flow from operations, cash flow from investing, and cash flow from financing activity. Cash flow from operations consists of inflows and outflows of cash resulting from transaction that affects firm's net income. Cash flow from investing activity, it includes inflows and cash flows of cash resulting from acquisition or disposals of long-term assets and certain investments. Cash flow from financing activity includes inflows and outflows of cash resulting from transaction that affects the firm's capital structure. So this is what was financial statements. Many thanks for watching. Please do like, share, subscribe.